We are here at the Century here in Chicago, Illinois.
These used to have custom impulse.
Ew. 4. Alright, let's listen to the motor. Sometime today. Look, they still have the original indicators.
These are fully original except with COPs and lanterns. Controllers.
Dude, those are cool.
These are still doing
Wow, it fully works too. Oh, there goes the other one. I'll be waiting for a while. I want to get that one though. We have a Montgomery Kone escalator.
It looks like a cage.
Oh yeah. Doors detached there for a bit. Very cool architecture. Here comes this one.
Well, we can print out. Okay.
Let's look out this way into the shafts. There goes that one. Very fast. I love these custom cabs. These are really neat. There goes that one.
And I'm sure you find something. Yes, I did. I was actually finishing car parts.
See the piston underneath.